I just need to ask you, in the Islamic religion, why the Shias Muslim people are given less importance compared to other Muslims? I have also heard one of my Muslim friends that they are not even allowed to drink water from a Shia family, not even a water.
अस्सलामुअलैकुम। एक नई वीडियो के साथ फिर हाजिर हुआ हूँ। हिंदू डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक से पूछता है कि ये शिया और सुन्नी क्या कॉन्सेप्ट है। ये शिया बोलते हम मुसलमान हैं, सुन्नी बोलते हम मुसलमान हैं। हम हिंदू बिल्कुल कंफ्यूज हो चुके हैं। ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में है, उर्दू में लेकर आया हूँ आपके लिए तर्जुमे के साथ। और वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करना, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना। चलो वीडियो की तरफ चलते हैं।
Student, I just need to ask you, in the Islamic religion, why the Shias Muslim people are given less importance compared to other Muslims? I have also heard one of my Muslim friends that they are not even allowed to drink water from a Shia family, not even a water, okay? Means I just need to ask, it is also said that in Iraq there was a Sadam Husain has done, he has spread a chemical gas, he has done a cruelism on Shia's people as compared to Hitler has done on Jewish people in the Second World War. So don't you think it's an injustice? I also need to know that what exactly the Shia's people has done a mistake in the Islamic religion before. So still they're suffering right now these days.
The brother asked the question that why are Shias considered inferior and what mistake they have done, why Saddam Hussein killed them like Hitler has killed Germany with chemical weapons, etc. Brother, in Islam there is no Shia Sunni. There is no Shia Sunni in Islam. I'll give the answer. I'll give the answer, then you're most welcome. In Islam there is no Shia Sunni. What Quran says in Surah Al-Imran chapter 3 verse number 103, وَاتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. Hold to the rope of Allah strongly and be not divided. We have to hold to the rope of Allah, the Quran, and the teachings of the Prophet, the Sahih Hadith. If you hold to them, then you're a true Muslim. There is no Shia Sunni in Islam, and there is no sect in Islam. The Quran says in Surah Anam chapter number 6 verse number 159, O Prophet, anyone who makes division, who makes sects in the religion of Islam, we have nothing to do with him. Allah will look after the affairs on the day of judgment. And our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that there will be 73 sects in Muslim. Out of that, only one will go to Jannah. The Sahabas asked, which one? Those who follow me and my Sahabas. Those who follow Quran and the authentic teachings of the Prophet. So, the Quran says, don't make sects. Our Prophet said, even though the Quran says, there will be some people who will make sects. How many? 73. The one who will be on the true path is one who doesn't make sects. So anyone who calls himself anything besides Muslim, the word is Muslim. Muslim means a person who submits his will to God. What was the Prophet? Was he Shia? Was he Sunni? What was he? He was Muslim. And the answer I gave to the earlier sister of Surah Al-Imran, chapter 3, verse 64, it says, فَقُلُوا شَهَدُوا بِأَنَّا مُسْلِمُونَ. We bear witness that we are Muslim. If you want to judge whether the Muslim is right or wrong, what you do? You check with the Quran. Let him call himself Muhammad, Zakir, Sultan, Abdullah, no problem. You check it up if he's following the Quran and the authentic teachings of the Prophet. Bukhari, Muslim, authentic teaching, he's a true Muslim. If he goes against the true teachings of the Prophet, the Sahih Hadith of Bukhari, Muslim and all the other Sahih Hadith, and goes against the Quran, he is not a true Muslim. A true Muslim is a person who follows the Quran and the authentic teachings of the Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. So when you come to know, let him call himself anything. If he does not follow the Quran and does not follow the authentic teaching of the Prophet, he is not a true Muslim. Regarding the second part of the question, Saddam Husain. Saddam Hussein is not there in the question. It is in the question, no? Saddam Hussein killed Shias. I don't know whether he killed Shias or not. The media says. But whether it be Saddam Hussein, whether it be Hitler, whether it be George Bush, anyone kills any innocent human being, leave aside Shia Sunni, even if he kills innocent Hindu, innocent Christian, innocent Jew, it is a big crime. Let it be Saddam Hussein, let it be George Bush, let it be Hitler. Anyone who kills any innocent human being, whether Muslim or non-Muslim, whether it be Hindu, whether it be Christian, whether it be Jew, anyone kills any other innocent human being. If he's done it, it's a sin, it is prohibited. I am not here to protect anyone. Let his name be anything. George Bush, Hitler, Sultan, Abdullah, Tom, Dick, Harry, anyone. If anyone kills any innocent human being, it is prohibited. Hope that answers the question.
It means you want to say that we should not believe in this Shias, Sunnis or Bori Muslims, sir.
I am not saying that. Quran, there is no Shia Sunni in the Quran.
Means so
There's no
so
Bori in
many
the
masjids
Quran.
are there, so many
That
masjids.
we tell them. You ask them, where is the word Shia mentioned in the Quran? Ask him, where is Bori mentioned in the Quran?
नाज़रीन कराम, इस्लाम में शिया सुन्नी का कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है। इस्लाम किसी को भी नहीं कहता कि आप शिया बने या फिर सुन्नी। ये जितने भी फ़िरके हैं ये सभी मुसलमानों ने ही अपनाए हुए हैं। जाकिर नाइक से जब इस बारे में सवाल किया गया तो जाकिर नाइक ने भी यही कहा कि इस्लाम और कुरान मजीद में किसी भी जगह पर शिया या सुन्नी का जिक्र नहीं मिलता। इस्लाम में और कुरान मजीद में मातम करने का भी जिक्र नहीं है। जबकि इस नौजवान की जानिब से ये भी पूछा गया था कि क्या इस्लाम में शिया लोगों के साथ नाइंसाफ़ी की जाती है, क्योंकि शिया लोगों को सुन्नी के मुकाबले में कम सहूलियात मुयस्सर होती हैं। तो इस बात को भी जाकिर नाइक ने बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से कवर करके ये बात क्लियर कर दी है कि कुरान मजीद में शिया सुन्नी सभी एक हैं और इस्लाम किसी भी मुसलमान को शिया सुन्नी नहीं कहता। मज़ीद डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक इस बारे में क्या कहते हैं आप खुद मुलाहिजा कीजिए।
My college is there, means in Bandra, sir. I'm studying in.
So these people are not following. What you have to do, ask them. Are they following the teachings of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Are they following the teachings of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala? Allah says in the Quran in Surah Anam chapter 6 verse number 159. Anyone who makes sects, division in Islam, you have nothing to do with him. Anyone who divides the religion of Islam, it is prohibited. So if you have to be a good Muslim, you have to hold to the rope of Allah, that is the Quran. So just by calling someone Abdullah, Sultan, whatever it is, will not take you to Jannah, but following the teachings of the Creator Almighty God and following the teachings of Prophet Muhammad peace.
Sir, and the last thing I just need to ask you, that it means we have to not believe in this, that there are so many sections of Islam, that Sunnis, Shia, we should not believe, we should only believe in Quran, right?
Quran and the authentic sayings of Prophet, that's it. Any scholar says anything. Quran says in Surah Nisa, chapter number 4, verse number 59, Atiullah, Atiur Rasul, obey Allah and obey the messenger. And continues, and those who have been given the authority for command, those who have charged with affairs, that means you have to follow Allah, Almighty God, His messengers, and those who are knowledgeable. But the verse does not stop there. It says if they differ, if the people of knowledge differ, go back to Allah and His Rasul. If someone tells you something, you verify from the Quran and the authentic hadith whether it's right or wrong. Just because any scholar says anything, it carries no weight in Islam.
So
Our thing is Allah, Almighty God and the Messenger. If any scholar says something, if it matches with Quran and say hadith, you accept it. If it is against Quran hadith, you reject it.
So
Just by person saying he's a Muslim, you have to tell him, Qul hatu burhanakum, produce your proof in kuntum sadiqin, but if you're truthful. That's the reason, whenever I give answer, I give you references from the Quran and say hadith. What I'm saying, what Dr. Zakir Naik says, is zero in Islam. It carries no value. What I say in Islam is zero. Nil. What Quran says, what Almighty God says, what our beloved Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, that carries weight. So what I'm giving references. Person who does not know, I'm giving references. My answer is based on this teaching of the Quran, these verses. My answer is based on this teaching of the Prophet, Sahih Bukhari, volume number so and so, etc., to give proof. So what they say carries weight, what I say carries no weight. Hope that answers the question.
नाज़रीन इकराम, हमें उम्मीद है कि आप लोग डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक की इस वीडियो से काफ़ी मुतमिन हुए होंगे। अगर आप लोगों ने डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक की इस वीडियो से कुछ नया सुना, सीखा और जाना है तो इस वीडियो को अपने दोस्तों और रिश्तेदारों के साथ फेसबुक और व्हाट्सएप समेत दीगर सोशल मीडिया वेबसाइट पर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर भी कर दें, ताकि वो लोग भी इस्लाम के मुतल्लिक डॉक्टर जाकिर नाइक के इन बयानात से इस्तिफ़ादा हासिल कर सकें। मज़ीद ऐसी वीडियोस देखने के लिए हमारे YouTube चैनल